Okay, Math Group 4. We are going to look at some of the IXL codes that I've assigned for you today. We're working on starting division. So, the first thing that you should have made if you read my post is you need one of these. Okay, so I've posted a video last week sometime about how to make your own multiplication chart using a piece of notebook paper. So if you don't have one of these made, you need to pause this video. You need to make one because you're going to need it to do these practice problems. Okay, so the first one we're going to is R. Remember, you go up here to this search window right up here and you type in the code R95, and when you do that, it pulls up a match skill ID right there. So you have to click on that, and that's going to take you straight to the first problems I want you to practice. Now, you just need your chart. Okay, so this first problem says 88 divided by 8 equals blank. Well, then looking on your multiplication chart, you need to find row 8, and then you go across until you get to 88, and then you look up, and there's your answer. So 88 divided by 8 was, there's that 88, it's 11. So you're going to type in 11. Okay, I'm going to do one more just to show you how to use your chart to do division. Sometimes your problems are going to look like this. You are taking 8 of something, it's in a box. Do you see the box that it's in? So let's pretend like this is 8 cookies in a box, and 8 people are outside the box wanting some of those cookies. 8 cookies and 8 people. How many cookies are each person going to get? If you've got 8 cookies and you're going to split those 8 cookies by 8 people, that means each person is going to get how many? Let's go ahead and use the chart. I know most of you already probably know the answer, but I'm practicing teaching you how to use the chart for division. So you look on row 8 because there's 8 people that want cookies. So you look on row 8 again, and you're going to go across until you find those 8 cookies. Then you look up and it tells you how many cookies each person gets. Each person is going to get 1. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and do one more. So we've got 18 cookies this time, and 6 people want to share them equally. So you look on row 6, you find your people first, then you go across and you find the cookies second, then you go up to see how many cookies each person gets. That each person gets 3. Okay, so the next code that we're going to practice is code XZA. So again, you go up there to that type window. Oh, I'm not in the right spot. XZA. You wait a second for that match skill ID to pop up. There it is, match skill ID XZA, and you're going to click on that one. Okay, now we've got story problems here. So you're going to have to think through what you're doing. This one says Philip cut 96 celery sticks and arranged them evenly on 8 plates. How many celery sticks did Philip put on each plate? Okay, so let's pull out our chart. This time, instead of 8 people, we have 8 plates. And instead of having cookies, we've got celery sticks. So we're going to go across until we find those 96 celery sticks. So we're on row 8 for the 8 plates. Go until you find the 96 celery sticks. There they are. And then you're going to go straight up. That means we're going to be putting 12 celery sticks on each plate. Okay, I'm going to jump up. Oh, no, that's it. Okay, so there's just more problems like this. So this says Peter had 64 rabbit stickers. He split the stickers evenly among 8 pieces of paper. How many stickers did Peter put on each piece of paper? So this time we have 8 pages, and we're putting 64 stickers on the pages. So you would look on row 8 of your chart, go across the row until you find the 64 stickers, then look up and find out how many stickers are going to go on each page. All right, let's go ahead and look at some of the multiplication facts that I've been putting on Class Dojo that I want you to be working on. These multiplication facts are simply to get you faster and faster at using your multiplication chart. Now, if you are really good at the chart and you want to start memorizing these facts, then put your chart away and do these facts as fast as you can until you get a SMART score of 100. So you want to look over here and get that SMART score to be 100. Yes? So you're working on getting, now I know normally I want you to get a SMART score of 80, right? But these are multiplication facts. We're trying to get faster and faster and faster and quicker with them. So I want you working until you get that SMART score to 100. If you've been using your chart and you get your SMART score to 100 using your chart, then I want you to practice them without the chart and try to get that SMART score up to 100. So you're just going to work on them in stages. I've listed a whole bunch of different math fact practice codes for you to work on. Remember, you just type that code in right up here in this search window, and then you're just going to keep working on them. Try them with your multiplication chart first. When you get to 100, put that multiplication chart away and try them without it. Our goal is to try to get as fast as we can. Okay, that's all I have for you today. So practice those division facts using that multiplication chart, and I'll have another lesson for you on division the next time.